Everyone, and here's a bit of a ceiling fan video for you. This one is a Crompton Greaves ceiling fan. This one was an export only from Bombay in India to Australia. This is the 4-blade variant. Not sure if it's 1200mm or 1400. However, it says it can do both. I've hooked it up to this controller because it's got the same requirements with the wattages, so yeah. Started off on low. These fans are really nice. The 3-blade variant is very common. The 4-blade variant is very rare. Check it up. So I got this fan just yesterday, along with a Martech Evergo Union in 900mm. So, yeah, awesome. This is pretty fast for speed 4. It's a bit of fast speed 3. Oops. I've also downsized a lot of my stuff, put shelves in here too. The floor's not done yet. This thing is a reversible ceiling fan as well, so I'll do a reverse in maybe a different video. That is full blast for it. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a top counter piece, so I don't have that. Now we'll just record the spin out of this fan. It's looking like it's going to rain out here again. Potential thunderstorms today and everything, so trying to get these videos out the way earlier in the day than later. But yeah, we currently have the Winco up, which is staying there. In case you're wondering, it does not hit any of my things. It misses by a whole heap of room. Got an Alaska on a GC. This is the fan shed, looking really nice. I do need to sort out over there next, because this thing's stacked, but yeah, these shelves really helped. Been busy building, and that's why I have scheduled all the videos that have just been uploaded before the 20th. I stopped the series at number 20. So I can get in some of these videos as well, not continuing that series. This is different. So, this bearings and this thing are awesome. I just ran it straight on this controller because there's no real reason why you can't. I know some people are going to complain in the comment section about me running it on a 5-speed 75-watt GC Royal controller, even though it doesn't matter. I've also been told the blades are upside down, which I actually like the facing this way, so it's pretty cool. Nothing there. I want to find that label. There it is. Fortune.